It's Saturday night at the campground, and I'm going to be making some brats. These are actually spicy smoked sausage, Johnsonville firecracker. And I've got some leftover items that I'm going to put in the Dog'n Brat Cooker to make these just spectacular tonight. So I have some leftover items from last night's pie iron meal. You'll see that video, or probably already have. I've got some bacon, and I've got some white onion. So I'm going to slice up the white onion and put a couple bacon strips inside this middle section of the brat cooker, and then I'll put 2 brats on the sides of that. And this is really simple, really easy to do. I've done this before with onions. I've never done it with the bacon, so that's going to be a nice extra treat. Let's get started. Flies are everywhere, so I love white onion. I don't need that much in here, just enough for a couple sausages. Yeah, that should be enough. Now don't judge me. My pie iron's filthy. But that's okay, that's because I use it a lot. And I've already heated it up on the fire. Kind of get it cleaned out. That's going to be too big. Let's find some smaller pieces. Just kind of throw them in here. That. I think I'm just going to throw a couple pieces of bacon in. I'll throw in one, and then I'll throw in some more onion here. Throw in another piece of bacon, maybe some more onion. You can never have too much. And then the firecracker brats. What I love about this brat cooker is it fits the brats perfectly. I've used this several times. I actually did bacon spam hot dogs, pressed them out in this. That was really good. It's a good video if you haven't seen it. I'll throw a link up in the corner. And this is it. So what's nice about these Johnsonville brats is they're actually fully cooked. So I just need to really heat them up. I don't need to worry about cooking them all the way through, like you do with a cheddar best, which are a great brat if you've ever had one. But this just makes it real easy, really quick. And I'm gonna have 2 sausages, bacon, and onions all ready. Let's take it to the fire. We're just gonna throw this right in between here so I can get some good heat on it. So this isn't gonna take too long. I can already hear it starting to make some noise in there. Flip that over, get it right down in the coals there. All right, I moved them up here to the grate and I put some coals under there. Let's take a look how they're doing. Oh, look at those onions. Just need to wait for the bacon to crisp up a little bit. Oh, I think they're ready. Oh, you can just hear them sizzling here in the pie iron. I got plenty of firecracker sausages and plenty of buns, so this probably won't be the first time I'm having some tonight. There's nothing wrong with that. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty good. the sausages smell really good too. Oh, I even had one split. Oh, that looks good. Actually, I'm gonna put the bacon and the onions in. Ouch! Oh, that's hot. I'm gonna start with the bacon and the onions. Trying not to burn myself here. All right. And get my second one set up. Piece of bacon in there. And the rest of these onions. It's a little tricky getting them out of here, mainly because it's hot. I don't want to burn myself, which I already have a couple times. Oh, bacon and onion. Firecracker sausage right in there. It smells really good. It's gonna be hot. Oh, that's a pretty good sausage, and it's even spicy, which is nice. Kind of a nice change. More of a sausage than a brat, but definitely good with the onions and bacon. Oh, just takes it to the next level. Thanks for joining me on this quick little meal out at the campsite. If you have any questions or comments about the Dog'n Brat Cooker, put them down in the comments below. And if you like this type of content, remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks everybody for watching. Ooh, one more thing. These firecrackers, they hit you a little late, so there's a lot of good spice in this. Definitely a firecracker.